Hey folks, if you want to change emblem, calling card, or clan tag in Warzone, Modern Warfare, or any other Call of Duty games, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your emblem, calling card, and clan tag. So let's dive right in without any delays. First, fire up Call of Duty HQ. Next, click on your profile icon, and this menu will show up. From here, you can change your calling card, edit your emblem, or just the clan tag. To edit the calling card, click here. Then click on All from the top right corner. Now you'll see all the calling cards you can switch to. To change, just click on the calling card you want to use and then click on Equid calling card and it will be set as your calling card. Next, if you want to edit the emblem, click on this button. And just click on the one you want to choose. And if you want to edit clan tag, just click here. And then type in your clan tag. After that, click on Save. And you'll see your clan tag is changed. So that's how you change emblem, calling card, or clan tag in Call of Duty Warzone, Modern Warfare 3, or any other Call of Duty games. If the video was useful, please hit the like button. And if you want more Call of Duty tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel. Thanks a bunch for watching.